If you have a house in Galena, Ohio, and you're looking to sell to a direct buyer, meaning you don't want to pay any commissions, you don't want to pay any fees, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses all over Galena, and many sellers prefer to work with us because when you work with us, we're a direct buyer. So there's no fees or commissions coming off your bottom line whatsoever. A lot of sellers would love to do this, but they think to themselves, can I actually do this? Do I need somebody to help me with the paperwork? I mean, how am I going to get through all this? Well, I'm here to let you know. When you sell to us as a reputable, local, direct buyer, there is way less paperwork, way less complexity when you're selling to a direct buyer like us. Let me explain. So when you are selling the property, when we are in agreement here to purchase your property, which is a very simple process, and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people recommend our services to sellers in Galena, but it's a one-page agreement. So it's literally one piece of paper, one page, written in 14-point font, so anyone could read it. Even, Diane, who I'm going to the nursing home, we're closing her property next week, next Wednesday, as a matter of fact. I don't know when you're going to be watching this video, but she's in a nursing home. She was able to easily read the paperwork here. There's no fine print. There's no games or anything like that. And the contract that we use, it's a purchase and sale agreement. It's simply going to explain who the seller is. So your name goes there, you're the seller. Who the buyer is, well, our name goes there, we're the buyer. Here's the property address. That's easy. This is the property that you're selling. Here's the purchase price. That's easy. That's what we agreed upon. And here's the closing date. That's easy because you tell us when you want to close. We're a cash buyer, so we can close fast or set up a future date, whatever you're most comfortable with there. And here's the biggie. Here's the bold print right at the bottom. Buyer is buying the house in its as-is condition. Done. Done. There's no more need for disclosures. There's no need for all of this disclosures for you. When you're selling with a real estate agent, you're filling out paperwork on lead-based paint. You're filling out paperwork about mold in the house. You don't know if there's mold in the cracks, but you got to CYA, cover your you-know-what, right, when you're doing that type of transaction. Now, I'm not here to say all real estate agents are bad because they're not. They fill a very valid place in the market. If the house is in tip-top pristine condition, if the seller has all the time in the world, yeah, you might want to list it. This way the agent could do open houses and they can get walkthroughs done on the house and things like that. If you just want to sell to a direct buyer without 100 different walkthroughs and you want to keep it simple without a lot of paperwork, this is the most simple way to do it, and it's exactly that. You're the seller, we're the buyer, here's the address, here's the purchase price, here's the closing date, as is, done. Done, it's truly as is. That means you don't have to fix anything, you don't have to clean anything, you don't got to haul anything away, there's nothing like that. It is just these 5 bullet points. So there's no disclosures you need to sign or anything like that. It's a very fair deal. There's no commissions or fees taken out. In fact, you're going to net from the sale of this property exactly what we agreed to pay you for it, minus any mortgage. If you have a mortgage, it's got to get paid at the closing, as you know. Right? Or any back taxes or liens that you might have. I mean, we had, if there's a contractor's lien or something against your house, it's got to get paid. It's going to get paid at the closing. But that's it. There's no additional fees or commissions or anything like that. So if you have a house in Galena, you're looking to sell it to a direct, simple, as-is buyer, contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Now, when we get on the phone, it is an easy conversation. There is no haggling. We're not going to waste your time. You're talking to us. We don't outsource the relationship here. We're going to talk to you directly, and we're local. This is not a call center. You call into these call centers, they transfer you around 3 times, and now finally maybe you're talking to an actual decision maker. We just don't do business that way. We'd rather keep it small and keep it local. We're doing just fine, right? By doing that, sometimes I think some of these, a lot of that is marketing companies. Have you ever gotten text messages? Hey, we'll buy your Galena house for cash. This is random. Where'd you get my number, right? Text back stop to be removed from the list. I never asked to be on the list, right? We don't do any of that. These are marketing companies. If you ever called back one of those numbers, it's like they send you to a call center. It's like the person's probably not even in the United States. You think they ever heard or been to Galena, Ohio? Nah, they haven't. Work with a local. That's what we do. This is what we provide, local the local feel. We're going to treat you like a neighbor because that's exactly how you deserve to be treated, right? As friendly and nice, and we're going to, not outsource this connection that we have. And that's why we have so many hundreds of reviews and testimonials. It's because we're working with you the whole way. We get a lot of them. Every week we're getting new people that recommend our services, and we're very proud of that because we're not so big that we lose the connection. We're never going to lose the connection. We're going to take care of you. We love people here. We genuinely do. So if you have a house in Galena, you're ready to sell this thing and just not have to do anything at all or pay any fees or commissions, contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.